Hi everyone, this is Narsaya, mathematics teacher in TMRS Armour Boys 1. Now we are discussing about if a number multiplied by itself many times. For example, I am taking here 5 into 5. This is the same number. Similarly, 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times. Here I am taking 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 7 times. Similar way, I am taking here 5 into 5 into 5, 25 times. What is the easy way to express this type of terms? We use exponents. Exponents. If a number multiplied by itself many times, we should use exponents. What is exponents? 5 into 5 is equals to, we take here 5 power 2, that is 5 raised to 2. Similar way, 5 into 5 into 5, how many times we are taking here? 3 times, right. 5 power, it can be expressed as 5 power 3. It is also known as 5 raised to 3. Similar way, 5 into 5 into 7 times, we will take 5 power 7. Same, in the same way, 5 into 5 into 5, 25 times we will take, it is written as 5 power 25. Generalized after that, we are taking a into a into a n times, it can be represented by a power n, right. So here a is called base and n is called exponent. The total form of a power n is called a power. Okay, for example, here I am taking 4 power 3. 4 power 3 is equals to how much? 4 into 4 into 4, 3 times. Now I am reducing the power from 3 to 2. So 4 power 2 is equals to how much? 4 into 4. How will we get here? By divided by 4 previous to 4 into 4 into 4 by 4, 4 will cancel, 4 into 4, that is 16 will remains. In the similar way, if you reduce the power from 2 to 1, 4 power 2 to 1, 4 power 1 is equals to 4. Successively, finally we are reducing one more from 1 to, it will become 0. Tell me, what is the power of 0 of 4? 4 power 0 is equals to how much? Same successively doing here 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 and 4, which means 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equals to how much here? 4 by 4 is equals to 1, right. 4 power 0 is equals to how much we are getting here? 4 power, 1. So that's why any non-zero number, because the base should not be is equals to 0. What will happen here? If you base is 0, 0 power 0 is equals to undefined or indeterminate form. So you should compulsory mention a power 0 is equals to 1 for any value, but it should not be equals to 0. The base should not be equals to 0, right. For example, I am taking 1 power 5. 1 power 5 means 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 5 times. But 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1. But we are getting here, how many times you multiply with the same number? Always we are getting 1 only. Similar way, 1 power 3 is equals to also 1. And 1 power 100 is equals to 1. 1 power 1000 is equals to also 1. So that's why we can generalize it that 1 power any number is equals to 1, right. Now, for example, 2 power 3 into 2 power 4 I am taking. 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 3 times. Into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 power 4. 4 times I am taking here. So 3 times and 4 times. Totally how many times we are getting here? 7 times. That's why 2 power 7. Right, 2 power 7, how we got? 3 plus 4. 2 power 3 plus 4. So this is one of the law of exponent. For example, I am taking a power m into a power n. If bases are equal, then sum is equals to a power m plus n. Thank you.